Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building powerful AI chatbots with Google Vertex AI Conversation can be an exciting project. Vertex AI is a comprehensive machine learning platform that allows developers to build, deploy, and manage AI models at scale. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process of creating a chatbot using Google Vertex AI. Prerequisites. Before you begin, ensure you have 1. A Google Cloud Platform (GCP) account. 2. The Google Cloud SDK installed and configured. 3. Billing enabled on your GCP project. 4. Basic knowledge of Python and RESTful APIs. Step 1. Set up Google Cloud Project. 1. Create a new project on the Google Cloud Console. 2. Enable the Vertex AI API. Navigate to APIs and Services Library. Search for Vertex AI and enable it. 3. Set up authentication. Create a service account and download the JSON key file. Set the environment variable to authenticate your requests. Bash. Export Google_application_credentials equals path/to/your/service account file.json. Step 2. Install required libraries. You need to install the Google Cloud Vertex AI Client library. You can do this via pip. Bash. Pip install Google Cloud AI Platform. Step 3. Create a conversation model. 1. Import the required libraries. Python. From Google.Cloud import a platform. Initialize the Vertex AI client. A platform.init, project equals your project ID, location equals a central one. 2. Create a conversation model. You can either use a pre-built conversational model or train your own. For simplicity, here we will use a pre-built model. Python. Model equals a platform.model.from_pre-trained, Google/chatbot 1.0. Step 4. Create a function to handle user input. You can create a function to handle user queries and generate responses using the conversation model. Python. def_get_response, user_input. Prepare the request. Response equals model.predict. Instances equals text, user_input. Parameters equals temperature, 0.7. Extract and return the response. Return response.predictions 0 response. Step 5. Create a simple loop for interaction. You can create a simple command line interface to interact with your chatbot. Python. Def chat. Print, welcome to the AI chatbot. Type exit to quit. While true. User_input equals input, u. If user_input.lower, equals exit. Print, goodbye. Break. Response equals get_response, user_input. Print, fbot, response. Start the chat. Chat. Step 6. Deploy your chatbot. Once you have tested your chatbot locally and are satisfied with its performance, you can deploy it as a web application or integrate it with messaging platforms, like Slack, Discord, etc. For deployment, you can use frameworks like Flask, FastAPI, or Django to create a web server, or deploy it on Google Cloud Run, App Engine, or any other platform of your choice. Example of deployment with Flask. Here's a quick example of how you could deploy the chatbot using Flask. Python. From Flask import Flask, request, JSON IFA. App equals Flask, __name __. At approot/chat, methods equals post. Def chat_API. User underscore input equals request.json.get, message. Response equals get underscore response, user underscore input. Return JSON IFA, response, response. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore. App run, host equals 0.0.0.0, port equals 8080. Step 7, testing your API. You can test your chatbot API using tools like Postman or curl. Bash. curl x post http://localhost 8080/chat content type, application/JSON message, hello, how are you? Conclusion. You have now created a simple AI chatbot using Google Vertex AI. This chatbot can be further enhanced by training custom models, adding context handling, and integrating with various platforms. Google Vertex AI provides the tools and flexibility to build powerful AI applications, so explore its features to take your chatbot to the next level. Resources: Google Cloud Vertex AI documentation, https://cloud.google.com/vertex-ai/docs. Vertex AI Python client, https://googleapis.dev/python/ai platform/latest/index.html. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.